airSchool. School management system has 3 roles, that is, registrar, head of department, and lecturer or teacher. At the registrar level, we see number of registered students, sales, expenses, and expected balance for the academic year. We can see the students or clients of the school, view their profile which displays the programs enrolled by the student, and enroll the student to a new program. Remember that the programs to enroll the student to are actually the business services. This can be set up at Compass, where the services are given a fee. We can from the service page that, for academic business or school, your service will be the program you offer. Example, General Science, BSc Computer Science, Junior High School, grade and others, that your students can enroll and graduate from. When we try to enroll the student to a program, a pop-up showing list of departments. Then, the school's programs, in order words, the business's services, appear which is the programs in the department selected. Selecting a program will prompt you to select the class or level of the program to enroll the student. The enrollment fee is taken from the service or program fee that was set up at the business dashboard on Compass. And branches also contain services. Register a student by clicking the plus button, then fill the details of the new recruit. If you want to take registration fee, you would have to set that up at the business dashboard on Compass. You can do that by selecting your business on Compass, then going to Setting by clicking on your image on the lower part of the side menu. Then change the value from 0 to the amount you desire. Registration fee is different from enrollment fee. Registration fee works across the airSuite apps, where a client, in this case student, is required to pay an amount to be added to the business as its client. Program enrollment fee is the fee charged for enrolling in a program, which is also set up when creating your business service at Compass. Next to the Students page, we have the Programs page, where we can add and set up classes or levels for the programs pulled from the business's services. You can add or view levels in a program. Program level or class is simply a collection of courses or course codes. airSchool also have the departments and branch where we can assign programs or services to a department. This is required when you are enrolling a student to a program. Departments contains programs, programs contain levels, and levels contain course codes. All these setups are done with the registrar access level. Click Add Program button to assign an academic program to a department. airSchool also have Academic Courses page where you create academic course and course codes. You can click the Action button on a course to view its course codes. The course codes are the ones that are assigned to lecturers and teachers to teach. They differentiate the math for grade 1 students from the math for high school students. The course name might be the same, but the contents and order words codes are different. airSchool also has a page to set up the academic semester. The moment an academic semester is created, it becomes the active semester across the school or business, meaning quiz scores and details of the previous semester cannot be edited. At the bottom right corner of airSchool, you see a calendar icon with the active semester displayed to the left of the icon. This tells all users of the school management system the active semester he is working on. This is where you set up the grading system your school would want to grade students on. airSchool will automatically grade students based on the active grading system selected for the semester based on student score when generating report. When adding a grading system, you are required to enter the name and the distribution of the student's score for grading. Exam and class quiz are the categories of a quiz when a lecturer or teacher is creating a quiz on airSchool. The quizzes will be categorized and compute the grade based on this percentage distribution. Click the plus button to add the grades, which contains details like points, grade letter, minimum and maximum score, remarks and description which will be used in the student's report. We can view the existing grading system to see how it was set up. Golden system, and the grading distribution is 50-50 to both exams and class quiz. The grades also displays the grade letter, minimum and maximum score, then the points. Going back to semesters, when creating semester we see an option to select the academic year type. This is used to determine how many semesters a year does your school do. For example, 1 semester a year, 2 semester a year, and so on. The academic year segment tells which semester it is, whether it's the first or second semester you are creating. Then the grading system to be used for the semester. That is it for the registrar role of the school management system. The registrar has access to set up the grade system, semester, courses and their code, programs and their levels, programs and department, register students and enroll students to the school's program. Next, we will enter airSchool as the head of department. The head of department has access to only metrics and students in the department he is assigned to. You see the student for the program in the department she is enrolled to. It also shows the student's current level. We can view profile to see the courses, which is actually course codes, enrolled to the student and her performance. HOD also can enroll student to a course, which is instrumental to re-enroll student to trailed or extra courses. HOD also has access to view lectures or teachers in the department and is the one to assign course code to lecturers. View and assign course to a lecture. That is all for the HOD role of airSchool. He views both students and lecturers of the department, enrolls student to courses, and assign lecturers to courses. At the student's profile, HOD has access to generate and print the student's report or transcript. Finally, we go to the lecturer's access level. The moment you select a lecturer's role, you are prompted to select a course from the list of courses assigned to you by the HOD. If you refuse to select a course, you will not be given access to the rest of the menus, and the lower right corner of airSchool will display a blank space next to the pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to bring the courses you are assigned to, then select a course to operate in it. When selected, you realize that the pencil icon has highlighted with the name of the course and course code displayed. You are now operating as the lecturer for that course and can view students enrolled to the course code and set up quiz and scores of the active course. This is where you create a quiz. Adding a quiz requires the title of the quiz, quiz code, category, whether it's an exam or a class quiz. Then you can add the sections of the quiz with its marks. Click the plus button to add a quiz section. We can view one of the quiz to see. And that is all for the lecturer access level, having access to students enrolled in the course code, setting class quiz and exams, then scoring the students, which is then finally sent to the HOD to generate the student's report, upgrading the GPA of the students, with client portal app for your student to view their scores and grade. That is all for airSuite school management system, called airSchool. We are committed to improve and add feature to it, so please don't hesitate to report and request for new feature for the platform.